Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Now, to offer up a little bit of defense, the entire markets today got destroyed. So it's not like Roku was behaving in this way when the markets were, up 600 points. No, the markets were down 600. So, like I said, it's still a bearish day. I'm not taking away from that. I'm just saying it's not like Roku was necessarily alone today. But going into next week, definitely some very interesting, situations here going on from the technical point of view, and just from a very quick technical pattern perspective. What we have here, and this is just a very bootlegged version of it, but there is essentially a bear pennant pattern that has formed. And just because it's a bearish pattern does not mean that for sure the price is going to get continuation to the downside. But my point is if I were forced to go one way or the other, I mean, you got to give the advantage to the bears at this point in time, because there is currently a lot of downwards momentum. And that is why this level here, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you, a whole lot of people are going to be watching that level right there at 120.25. And I make the comment about a whole lot of people, because when a whole lot of people are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, you can call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, you can call it whatever you want, but it can cause some very dynamic price movements. And that's exactly what we have here with 100, 20, and 25. And to offer up a little bit more context, let's change it to the daily time frame real quick, because the other area that then becomes very interesting going into next week is if that 120.25 mark does not hold up, then literally everybody and their brother and their neighbor and everybody is going to be watching that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very, very famous 200-day simple moving average. So really two key levels going into next week, that 120.25 mark and then the 200-day simple moving average. If the 200-day moving average does not quite hold up, then at that point, I would look for the price to at least go down to 116, if not even lower than that. But we'll see what happens with it. From the resistance side of things, very clear, a lot of downwards pressure over the past couple of weeks represented by that trend line there. But yeah, next week definitely taking shape to be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.